Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a really neat feature, how to create comparison tables on Bing Chat. So, let's jump right in. One of Bing's standout features is its ability to search the web for up-to-date information and present it in various formats, including comparison tables. Here's how to create a comparison table using Bing Chat. Imagine you want to compare two products, like the M2 MacBook Air and the Surface Laptop 4. Simply ask Bing. Create a table comparing the specifications of the M2 MacBook Air and Surface Laptop 4. Bing will generate a table with key specifications, but you can also customize it by specifying variables. For instance, you can ask for specific details like display and ports. Remember to verify Bing's citations, as they might not always be perfect. For more accuracy, you can include citations when converting the table. So go ahead, experiment, and have fun comparing with Bing Chat's table creation feature. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.